Hello and welcome to this lecture, Constructors and Class Methods. This is Manjusha Bhosle from KK Wagh Polytechnic Nashik. In this lecture, we will discuss about how to write constructors in Python and how to write various class methods in Python under OOP in Python. So let us start with this. Before writing any method inside the class, first we need to think about this self keyword that we are going to use in the method for its first parameter. So class methods must have an extra first parameter in method definition. We do not give a value for this while calling the function, but Python itself provides it. If we have a method which takes no argument, then also we have to give one parameter and the name of that parameter will be self. This is similar to the this pointer in C++ or this reference in the Java. When we call any method, at that time we use the object name dot method name and we pass the arguments inside the parenthesis. So it is like calling the function or method in any another programming language, but when we write the definition of method, we have to use self keyword and then comma and then remaining parameters or whatever parameters you want to pass, and while calling we have to skip that self parameter, but we have to specify the values for remaining parameters, and that will be automatically converted by the Python into the class name dot method name, and in bracket first is the object name and then the remaining parameters. Like on this slide it is given. So if I have the method name method and this is my class object, so my object dot method, I will pass the parameters. Now at this time I will not consider or assume any value for the self parameter, because after execution or at the time of execution that will be automatically converted by the Python into my class, that is your class name dot method name and in bracket your object name comma whatever the values you have passed for the parameters for that method. I think now you have got an idea about this self parameter. Now we will move to the next slide, that is how to write constructor in Python. Before that you should know about the constructor. So in various programming languages like C++ or Java, we have also used constructors. In Python we use constructor, and to write the constructor we use double underscore init double underscore name or method name. The constructors are useful when you create the object of that class, automatically the statements that you have written within the constructor will be automatically executed. So it runs as soon as an object of the class is created or instantiated. The method is useful to do any initialization you want to do with your object. So this is all about the constructor, and in Python we always use this init method with starting and ending double underscore. This is also the special method as it is the constructor. So example is given here. We have a make class and this double underscore init double underscore in bracket. Of course we have to first pass the self parameter and then whatever parameter you want while calling the constructor. Calling the constructor means while creating the object of that class. So if I have written here print welcome to and this parameter name, so as soon as I create this object M of class make and passing this parameter kkWp, automatically the constructor will be called with the parameter kkwp, and this message will be printed, that is welcome to kkwp. So this is all about constructor. One more example is there, that is class student, and then the constructor is written here. We will use here double underscore init double underscore. Here we are passing two parameters, roll and name. Self is always there, so we are just assigning this role and name to the self dot name and self dot roll number. Now here this self dot name means whatever parameter will come from the object, that object parameter value will be assigned to this name parameter, and role will be assigned to this role variable, and at last we are just printing the name first and then role. That means we are printing the second parameter and then first parameter. So whenever I create this object, and of course as it has a constructor, I need to pass here two parameters, role and name. So when I pass this role and name in this constructor, the name is printed first and then role, so I get the output Ram and 23. So this is the second example. Now for demonstration we'll go to the Thonny and we'll write one example. First we will write one class, suppose class person colon, and I want to write the constructor for this person class. So I will write here def init underscore underscore. Here I need to pass first self parameter, and then I will pass suppose name comma age, and here I will just assign self dot name is equal to name, self dot age is equal to age, and finally I am printing the both values. So print self dot name comma self dot age. So now this is done. Now I will create the object of this class person. So obj underscore person is equal to person, in bracket I need to pass here parameter, so I will pass here Sham comma 32, and I'll just run this. Before that I need to save it. Yes, the output is Sham and 32. So this is how we write the class, then constructor, and then we pass the parameter, and then we create the object, and at the time of creating object we can directly pass the parameter, or even if you don't have parameters you can keep it empty. So if I want to change it, like I don't want this, I'll run this. Okay, so this is how you can write the constructor. I hope now you can create the constructor for the class in Python, and you can create the object, and you can write the constructor with and without parameter. So now we will move to the next topic, that is how to write class method. So to write the class method, of course we have to use the def keyword, and we will write the name of the method in bracket we have to use first self parameter and then remaining parameters. So here is an example. You have to use this, then colon, and then you will write the statement. And whenever you want to call this method or function, you will just use the object dot function name and then this parameters. So let us do this. Now in the same class I will write one more method. One constructor is already there, so I will use def my method, and here I will pass self comma suppose number, print so here I am printing the cube of any number which will be passed while calling the function. So here I need to call obj underscore person dot my method, and in bracket I need to pass here number. So let us try this. I'll just run. Yes, the cube of the number is 64. So this is how you can write the class method. So writing general methods and writing class method has only one difference, that for general methods we don't use self parameter, but for class methods we need self parameter, as it is required while calling the particular function through the object. If you are using the class name to call the function, then you don't need to specify self parameter, but if you are using the object to call the method, at that time to replace that object name inside the parenthesis you need to pass the self parameter and then remaining parameters. So this is all about class methods. I hope now you can write the class methods and you can call them through the object of that class. Thank you.